की हाल आ मेरे पुत्त दा मेरे पुत्त दा ना की आ वेखना ते भोरा जा थां नहीं छड्डदे. Hey guys, my name is Leo and you're watching Learn Punjabi with Leo, and welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button notification so that you can have my latest video notification on your fingertip. Today I have very amazing topic for you guys, and that is the Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language. So without further, let's get into the video. The Doabi dialect is named after the region in which it is spoken historically. The word Doab is the land between two rivers, and this dialect is spoken between two rivers such as the Bias and the Satluj river. The Doabi dialect, when it is spoken, it often drops several letters such as V, O, and sometimes it uses some different letters in the place of the letter which is used in the word. So let's take an example. People use the B letter instead of V letter. For example, when they say vadda, they don't say vadda, they say badda, which means big. And when they say khab, they often use the word as khwab. Instead of saying khab, they simply say khwab. Also in the Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language, people often use the letter W instead of letter V in the middle of the word. Let's take an example. For example, when people say hawa, they say, instead of saying hawa, they say hawa, which means air. Also in Doabi dialect, the letter U is pronounced as letter O. For example, in the word khush, which means happy, it is pronounced khush in the Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language. Also in the Doabi dialect, if any letter begin with the I sound, then it is simply pronounced to the E sound. For example, the word khich will be, which means to pull, is simply pronounced as khich. Also in the Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language, people do not pronounce the letter Z because letter Z is not native to the Punjab region. Let's take an example. When people say the word zevar, which means jewelry, they often say the word as jevar, jevar. Instead of pronouncing the letter Z, they simply pronounce the letter J, which is indigenous or native to the Punjab region. In the Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language, words like a, wa, sige, kidan, Odan, Edan are used instead of kis tarah, enj, ove, kive, as compared to the Majha dialect of the Punjabi language. The Doabi dialect of the Punjabi language is mostly spoken in the region of the Indian Punjab, which is Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, Kapurthala and Nawashehar. While in the Pakistani Punjab region, the Doabi dialect is mostly spoken in the Dona, Manjki and Toba Taxing and Faisalabad. I hope you enjoy the video and have learned something informative about the Punjabi language, and if you do, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also share the video with your loved ones so that they can know what kind of Punjabi language is. And I'll see you again with another informative video about the Punjabi language. Up until, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.